In this video, we'll break down the difference between backup batteries and self-consumption batteries, also known as non-backup batteries. If you're looking to power your home during outages or reduce your electricity bills, this information is going to be invaluable. It's important to know the difference and why one costs more money than the other. First up, let's talk about self-consumption batteries, also called non-backup batteries. They primarily reduce your reliance on the grid and save you money on your electricity bills. They do not give your home electricity during a grid outage. This is the primary difference from backup batteries. Self-consumption batteries can be installed with new or existing solar panel systems. They store excess energy generated during the day so you can use it at night. This means you're drawing less electricity from the grid, which can lead to substantial savings over time. Now let's shift our focus to battery backup systems. These systems perform self-consumption, but in addition, they also provide emergency power during blackouts or grid failures. They act as a lifeline for your home, ensuring that essential appliances like refrigerators, lights, and even your Wi-Fi routers stay operational when the grid goes down. They also save money on your electric bills through self-consumption. Battery backup systems can be installed with your new or existing solar system. They store electricity from solar panels. This electricity can then be used to run your home when there's no sunlight during power outages, or to sell back to the power company for credits. The batteries can be programmed to match your lifestyle and needs. For backup electricity during a blackout, it's a seamless transition to battery power and ensures that you are never left in the dark during a power failure. Now that we've covered the basics of both battery backup systems and self-consumption batteries, let's look at some key differences and considerations. Battery backup systems give you both electricity during outages and self-consumption savings, while self-consumption batteries only reduce your electricity bills. Here are a few factors to consider. Battery backup systems cost more upfront since they have a dual purpose, providing backup power and self-consumption. They require a critical loads panel and additional hardware. Self-consumption batteries, on the other hand, have a lower cost since they don't include backup power, which requires the extra equipment. If power outages are frequent in your area, or if you have medical devices, then a battery backup system is a must-have. However, if you're only looking to reduce your electricity bills, self-consumption batteries are a better fit because they are more cost-effective. In the end, the choice between a battery backup system and a self-consumption battery depends on your specific needs and goals. If you're in an area with frequent power outages and need reliable backup power, get a battery backup system. But if you're just looking to save money on your electricity bills, self-consumption batteries are the way to go. If you want to learn more about solar and the different options available to you, visit CaliforniaSolarGuide.com. And remember to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell to receive our latest videos on solar energy and other solar-related topics.